On December 2nd, over 400 community members will be coming together for an inspiring breakfast gala dedicated to support nearly 2,000 local students that are facing a crisis level of food insecurity. Here with more is Joyce Leung from Joyce of Cooking and Chef Taylor Martin from Radius. Good morning. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm fantastic. Joyce, we'll start with you. Tell us about this breakfast gala.
Yeah, absolutely. So on December 2nd, we're celebrating with the community to raise funds for Food4Kids Hamilton. It's one of the most impactful events of the year to raise money for a good cause, like you said, for food insecurity. So we have curated about 19 food vendors, including Radius, to celebrate this event. So as you can see, these are some of the vendors that we'll be featuring.
Excellent. Why is this such a special event?
Well, it's a combination of bringing community together and then raising awareness for a very important cause, which is food insecurity. And I think a lot of times we kind of see it's happening, but we don't know how we can help. So this is a great way to celebrate, to help a good cause that way.
Right. Chef, what are you concocting this morning? And tell us about Radius's involvement in the Food4Kids Breakfast Gala.
So Radius has always been very community-centered. At the top of all of our menus, you'll see the phrase "Love Local," and that's really a core tenet of what we do at Radius. There, along with our sister golf courses, Southbrook and Beechwood, we strive to put the center of focus back on the community. We like to give back, so it's really, really important to us to make sure that we're participating in events like Food4Kids, participating in loving to play a small part in being one of over 1,700 kids that are helped through what we're doing through food.
Yeah, and giving back to the community is a special component of that. So what are you making this morning?
So this is something that will be pilot tested for our breakfast gala at Carmen's in December. This is kind of a play on a few different things. We're focusing on food insecurity, of course, so this is a play on poverty line staple, which would be rice and beans. Another one of my brunch favorites is actually shakshuka. For those of you who aren't familiar, that's a dish that involves poached eggs in usually a spicy tomato sauce, usually with some peppers and onions and garlic in there, and some strong spices as well. So I have a version for us to taste test, and I'm just doing a quick little demo of the cooking process, which is nice and quick for families that are short of time.
And while Chef works on that, Joyce, let's talk about some of the different vendors that are going to be participating in the gala.
Absolutely. So we have Mel's Deli over here, which has some breakfast sandwiches. There's like pesto in this. It's so, so good. You got to try one afterwards. We also have a breakfast pogo stick, which is dust with icing sugar. There's a little maple syrup on the side. Pleasant cookies. Have you tried Pleasant cookies before?
No, I'm trying a bunch of new things this morning.
Oh my goodness, you are in for a treat. This is Hamilton's best cookies.
Okay.
Trust me. And then we also have milk from Summit Station. We have some delicious biscotti from Hottie Biscotti, banana bread. There's an array Momoko donuts, which is a delicious donut from the city, croissants from Chaton, Timmy Tenors with the cheese pizza, and these are Wingtastic wings, which are really fun and creative wings that he created with like fruity pebbles on it, chocolate. So lots of fun little flavors. There's going to be a lot of sweet and savory items. Some items may not be traditionally breakfast items, but they are just a good taste of the city.
Who says chicken wings are not a breakfast item?
I mean, protein,
I'm going to argue that. Yeah, absolutely. Where can viewers get more information? We have under a minute.
Yeah, absolutely. So Food4Kids website, you can grab tickets there as well, and you can see also how you can sponsor your table there too.
Excellent. Really quick, is there a fundraising goal? Do you know?
Oh, the fundraising goal is whatever we can get.
As
but
much as
last
possible.
year we raised about $90,000, so we're hoping to beat that. Yeah.
Excellent. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. Chef, thank you so much. Good luck on the event day as well. I know we're going to be feeding a lot of people and raising a lot of money for an excellent cause. More Morning Live coming up after the break. Good morning.